Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how to forcefully close any program in Windows 11. As you can see, this application is not closing. How to close this application? Let's start. Right click on Windows 11 icon and go into Task Manager. On this window, you will find your Z application that you want to close forcefully. Another way to find your Z application, you can write the name of this application in search bar. Now first verify the name and now write the name of this application in search box. You can see here this application name is Boomai. Now right click on it. Right click on this application and go into End Task. You can see here this application is forcefully closed. Hope so this video will be helpful for you. See you another video. Goodbye.